In the previous video, we explored the various types of nutrients our body needs. In this video, we will learn how to combine them to create a healthy, balanced diet. Balanced diet. All food items do not contain all nutrients. For example, sugar is a source of carbohydrates, but does not contain other nutrients like proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals, but they do not contain carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Sometimes children like to eat certain food items and miss out on other foods. This can lead to lack of a particular nutrient in the body. This can affect their health, growth, and bodily functions. How can we avoid such a situation? We can avoid this by including all the nutrients in the food we eat. The food we eat is called a diet. To make sure that we get all the nutrients in the right amounts, we need to have a balanced diet. A balanced diet is one which contains all the nutrients in the right amounts. Water and roughage. Other than carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, our body also needs water and roughage. Roughage or fiber does not contain any nutrients. But it is needed for digestion, as it helps our body get rid of undigested food in the form of feces. Cereals, apples, papaya, and green leafy vegetables are some examples of fiber-rich food items. We also need to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Water helps our body to digest food and absorb nutrients from the food we eat. Water is essential for carrying out important bodily functions. Certain foods like watermelon and cucumber contain a lot of water. Preservation of food. Most food items start to rot or spoil after some time if they are not eaten or stored properly. Eating rotten or spoiled food is bad for our health. It can make us seriously ill. Fact store. We eat both raw and cooked food. Cooking makes food softer, tastier, and easier to digest. But overcooking can mean loss of nutrients. This should be avoided. Activity. Adult supervision required. Aim: to understand how food can rot if not preserved. Things needed: 2 pieces of sandwich bread, water, bowl, and magnifying glass. Procedure: dip 2 pieces of the bread into a bowl full of water. Then leave the bread pieces on a plate, kept on a table, in a corner of your house for 3 to 4 days. Observation: after 3 to 4 days you will be able to notice tiny white-green things growing on the bread pieces. Do not eat the bread or put your face too close to it. It can be poisonous. Wear gloves and a mask. Explanation: when food items like bread are not preserved properly and are kept in hygienic places, they begin to rot. Additional exploration: what are the tiny white-green things growing on the bread? Find out with the help of your teacher. Food can be preserved from getting spoiled by preserving it. There are a number of ways we can preserve food. Drying: we can preserve certain food items by drying them. Drying means to remove the water contained in the food item. For example, grapes are preserved by drying them. You must have seen raisins. They are dried grapes. Pickling. Certain food items can be mixed with salt and oil to preserve them for a long time. We can pickle mangoes, lemons, and other vegetables with salt and water. Freezing. Certain food items like meat and fish can be stored in a freeze to preserve them for a long time. Freezers have much a lower temperature than the normal refrigerator at home. We can keep raw and cooked food items for a few days. Canning. Food is boiled and stored in airtight bottles and cans to preserve them for a long time. Juices, jams, and sauces are usually preserved by canning. Let's turn learning into action. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.